guys. The Bill of Rights in Plain English by Gevin, Corey, Casey, and Sebastian. It's 1784, and James Madison has just received a letter from Thomas Jefferson. The letter stated that all people have the right to protect themselves from the government. And so the journey began. James Madison attended meetings to see what other people wanted, and he came up with 12 essential rights. But the Senate changed some and took others out to get a total of 10. And out came the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments of the U.S. Constitution. The First Amendment, probably the most important amendment, gives you 5 basic freedoms: religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition. Religion, the right to worship and preach although not in a public place. Speech, right to state ideas unless illegal or unpeaceful. Press, right to publish ideas with an exception of solicitation to commit crimes, threats, incitement to imminent lawless actions, obscenity, fighting words, lying under oath or perjury, defamation, etc. You get the point. Assembly, right to meet peacefully in groups without breaking any laws. Petition, right to protest the government or any wrongdoing in a peaceful manner. Besides the 5 basic freedoms, the Second Amendment states that you have the right to bear arms. This amendment protected the freedom to legally own firearms, any weapon able to release missiles. To own a firearm legally, you have to be 18 or 21 years or older in the U.S. With all these new gun laws, the age to own a firearm varies from state to state. However, the Second Amendment will not infringe or break terms of itself, nor will it take away or ban firearms. So as long as it's legal, no one can take away your right to bear arms. That brings me to the Fourth Amendment. The Fourth Amendment protects the people's right to prohibit unreasonable searches unless given permission or a search warrant present. So you could say, not in my house, if you don't want anybody to search your property, and it would still be constitutional. Many times people say, plead the Fifth. The Fifth Amendment protects the right to not incriminate yourself, meaning you don't have to talk or answer any questions if you or your spouse does not want to lie under oath. Sir, you are under arrest. We just messed up, didn't we? Yeah, you were supposed to read that.
Sir, you are under arrest for the murder of Tom Ridley. Anything you say can and will be held against you in the court of law.
Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, that is part of the Sixth Amendment as well as the Fifth and the Eighth. Sound familiar? Those are the Miranda rights.
You also have the right to a speedy trial. If able to afford a lawyer, you will be provided one, free of charge.
The lawyer is there to help you plead your case. They're also there to make sure you are not given any cruel or unusual punishment. The Eighth Amendment, this means the cry has to fit the punishment. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. The Bill of Rights is a very important part of the U.S. It gives us the essential rights to keep our country free and protected from the government if need be.